everybody, welcome back to Going Ballistic. We are your research and destruction channel, and we're going to do a little research and a little bit of destruction today. What we got here is we got all these different tracer rounds sent to us. Now these are from around the globe, man. Romania, Egyptian, Russian, Chinese, and they're in two different calibers. Now we got our SKS in 7.62 by 3.9 and our PSL in 54R. Now, a friend of us sent all these rounds, which I'll do a close-up picture here in just a second. He wanted to see if they could be used as kind of a poor man's incendiary round, and to see which ones would actually have the biggest flash once they hit steel. Now the steel we're going to use, we still have this RTS Tactical Mini Shield here. This thing has taken a beating, if you look in this old video here, and it's still going strong. Well, we're going to shoot all these rounds at it today. I think it's going to hold up. Comment below, what do you guys think? You think any of these tracer rounds will pop through? Never know, right? Anyways, this is what we got for you guys today. We are going to just kind of roll with this one. We're going to do 2 pops, and then we'll check the footage. 2 pops, check the footage, blah, blah, blah. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. You're gonna like this test. I think it's gonna be a cool test. And don't forget to pick up your custom Going Ballistic bottle opener. We still have a few of these left. These were made by Justin and I. All the brass was shot on this channel. We lowered the price to $13 to help out with shipping. That's about as low as we could go on them. But pick yours up today. They're going fast and they're almost gone. Let's get going.
So first one up out of the PSL is the Romanian tracer round. We only have 1 of these. The rest of them we have 2 at least. We've had sporadic cloud cover, which is going to be, the tracer's not going to illuminate very well, but we're going to do it anyway. Ready when you are. Ooh, I definitely saw a good flash. I definitely saw it hit the berm too over there. Check out this tough stuff. Hit right here. Barely even just removed the coating on there. But I did see a splash of dirt somewhere over there. Maybe I'll find it one day, but there's probably thousands of rounds buried in that dirt right there. All right, on to the next one. All right, 2 of the Chineses. I hit her. Those are pretty, kind of smoky too.
All right, Justin hit down here. Again, man, this stuff does nothing to this. This armor took a punishment in that last video. Y'all need to really watch it, but nothing done to it. But I would have to say, we only had the 1 Romanian round. We have the 2 Chinese, and it looks like it had a bigger flash there. Comment below, let me know what you guys think, but on to the next round.
Well, that was a fun festive flash. Now we're going to go move on to the Russian Gen 1. Please comment below, let us know what the difference is between the Gen 1 and Gen 2. Because I have no idea. I didn't do my research. Those are pretty comparable flashes. That was really good.
That was pretty good. There's a lot of smoke on those too.
Oh yeah, big smoke screen.
Cool. So these hit right around here, and that first one was definitely, I would say, the biggest flash so far. We don't have any American rounds, but we will get some and have to test some against some American ones. But that Russian Gen 1 was awesome, and so is this RTS plate. I mean, nothing. I know they're just tracer rounds, but still, it's hitting pretty hard. So,
We're not too
all right.
far away.
No, we're not too far away. What are we, about 20 yards?
Yeah.
So, all right, Russian Gen 2, here we go. All right, don't freak out. Chris is gonna shoot, but here goes Russian Gen 2. Hopefully I can hit that plate. You ready, Justin?
Send her, bud. Send her, bud.
Oh,
That was pretty.
did I? Oh, did I miss that?
Yeah.
I totally missed it. See, that's why Justin shoots, but that was cool, that one flipping in the air, so let's check it out. Did you find it?
Yeah.
Where
I
is
found
it
the
at?
hard way. It's right. Well, I was up here, and then I horribly burned myself and dropped it right here. I pulled an Ed one.
Yeah, you did.
It looked like an old one. I thought it was an old bullet. I was like, oh, that's cool. Nope. Scorching hot.
Yeah.
That guy.
Well, I hit about the same place Justin did on the first one, completely missed the second one, but I think the other camera caught it. I won't be able to tell until I edit it, but it was spinning up here. It was pretty cool, and then Justin, well, he Edwarded himself and picked it up. Okay, on to the last rounds, the Egyptian rounds. We'll see if Russians Gen 1 can hold on to the lead there. Here we go.
All right, let's see how these Egyptian ones do. I'm back behind the rifle since Chris can't hit crap, but I burned the hell out of myself. All right, now I'm probably gonna miss. I'm getting too cocky. Hits. Hits. Looking good. That wasn't too bad. I think the Russians taking the lead though. I think it was more of a red color though.
All right, the first shot was right here. That was a really good shot. It was pretty cool because you could see on the high speed this thing kind of lighten up. Or it was these two. I don't know. But either way, that was pretty cool. I would say for the 54R, definitely that Russian Gen 1. Should have stuck with that one. Better poor man's incendiary than the Gen 2. And I don't know, it was really close between the Chinese and the Egyptian rounds. Comment below, let us know what you guys think was the best one. We're going with the Russian Gen 1. All right, on to the 7.62 by 3.9. Let's see who's got the best one for that. Here we go.
All right, moving on to the SKS. We got 2 Russian rounds. Hopefully I can get them on target. Let's see what kind of flash we got. What was that?
It was flying back at me.
Spaz?
Really tough stuff. All right, no problems there, here, and I I don't remember where the second one hit. I know the first one was here. Those are smaller rounds, smaller flash, but both of them went off. Looked pretty good. Again, I didn't see any tracer round though. I'm looking on our high speed, and our high speed view monitor is really small, so, and it's bright out here, so it's really hard to see, but we'll figure it out when we get back to the house and start editing. But
we might be too close too.
Yeah, we might be too close. True. All right, on to the next one. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna try this again. I'm gonna shoot a little slower. Here comes the Chinese 7.62 by 39 tracer rounds out of our Chinese SKS. Here we go. Yay, I hit them both. Yay, I hit them both. Let's check it out.
Good job. You know what, Chris? I'm really proud of you. You actually hit it. He could be such a jumpy spaz sometimes, but I was just like, hey, relax, get your stuff together, and just follow through with your shots. We got 2 impacts. I actually saw a trace on one of them, and the second one seemed to be brighter on impact. So that was the Chinese ones, and our last one is going to be the Egyptian again, is that correct?
I believe so.
All right, let's see what and again, obviously, doesn't even phase this armor, not one bit. So we got to light this up one of these days, like extra heavy duty. But on to the Egyptian. Last and final rounds are the Egyptian rounds. Let's see if we got a winner. And make sure you don't forget to like and subscribe. We could really use your guys' support so we can keep doing these videos. We got one in the chooch chamber. There we go. We got 2 hits. We got 2 hits. Clear. I didn't really notice the flash on that one.
Well, I don't know about those AK rounds, the 7.62 by 39. They're all pretty comparable. I would say if I had to guess, it'd either be the Russian round or the Egyptian. Those look pretty comparable. What do you guys think? Please comment below. We'd like to know your opinion. Definitely thanks to RTS. This is just the body armor that keeps on giving. This is amazing stuff, man. It really took a punishment. None of those rounds did anything. We're not done with that yet. Really tough stuff. We're gonna defeat it. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget we're on Rumble, and it's not Utreon anymore. I think it's Player. They've changed their name to Player. We really appreciate you guys supporting us. We've been having a hard time getting subscribers. They've been like deleting a whole bunch of you guys. So make sure you check your subscribe button. Make sure they didn't delete you guys from us. We get a lot of emails from people saying, you know, this is the 3rd and 4th time that YouTube has deleted them. But hey, we're not going anywhere. As long as you guys are here, we're here. So thank you all, and we'll be back.